Are you guys ready? You heard it here first. Hey, I'm Max Shavers, and I'm a journalism major here at West Virginia University, and I'm a part of a class called BrandJRNY. And basically what BrandJRNY is, it's a research-based community branding initiative that aims at revitalizing different West Virginia communities through integrated branding efforts and creative strategies. This year, BrandJRNY decided to focus on the small town of Pineville in West Virginia, and here to talk a little bit more about Brand Pineville is the brand manager.
Hi, my name is Samantha Stocksdale, and I am a public relations major at the Reed College of Media, and I will be graduating in May. So Pineville is located in southern West Virginia in Wyoming County, and they have a population of about 600 people. One of the reasons that we chose Pineville for this opportunity was because of their tourist attractions and their potential for economic development. So they have access to the Skynedot River that they're not fully utilizing, and they also have tourist attractions like access to the Hatfield-McCoy Trail system. Additionally, a huge part of this campaign was the research that went into the strategy behind all of these creative elements. So we talked to ATV riders, we did numerous surveys, we talked to community members to find out not only what they viewed as the town's assets, but also their challenges so that we could directly address those. So through this research, we use these findings to guide our strategic decisions and our creative ones as well. So for example, we developed a color palette which includes Pineville Green, which really was attractive to the ATV riders because of the natural elements of the town, and we used Pineville Maroon, which was a tribute to the town's history in their past schools and really had deep roots with community members. So you can see that these two colors are really integrated into our logo and all of our creative content.
So with the actual process of rebranding that took place, the BrandJRNY class, we went down to Pineville several times throughout last semester and this semester, and we took pictures, we made and edited videos for the community, we made flyers, logos, graphics, and just presented that to the community at the brand launch event. So, priorities for today include taking videos, gathering photos, going through the community and talking to people about our brand launch party. To elaborate more on what we've been doing so far this week, I'm going to introduce somebody vital to our team.
My name is Jenna Capella. I'm the advertising director for BrandJRNY for our BrandJRNY Pineville project. Today we're doing our first introduction into the coupon page inserts that I'm going to be doing. So they're going to be distributed through 4 newspapers. We're just going around to different businesses and introducing them to this coupon. We have a whole packet for them and trying to get them on board for this page.
Alright, so right now we are at the West Side Wyoming East basketball game in Beckley, handing out flyers for our brand launch party that is tomorrow, as I said before. So we're gonna get some footage and have a good time watching the game. So today we'll be launching the brand to all the public, all the deliverables that we've created over the past semester and a half. That's flyers, the logo, the color scheme, videos, all that good stuff. It's gonna be a great day, but a hectic day, so we have to stay organized and on top of things. Isn't that right, Raw? Yes, precisely. So one of the places we're visiting is the Pinnacle Creek Trailhead, as you can see. Pinnacle Creek Trailhead is one of the many ways to get onto the Hatfield-McCoy Trail, which is kind of what we're basing this brand around. It's a destination brand, so we're appealing to people who like the outdoors, ATV riding, four-wheeling, all that good stuff. Hopefully get them in so they can get on the Hatfield-McCoy trails, and then also from that go into Pineville and experience Pineville as well. That right there is where you would get onto the trail to start your ATV dream on the Hatfield-McCoy Trail. That's where you enter. Alright, so the brand launches in a couple hours, and here to tell you a little bit more about what we're doing right now is my classmate, Grayson.
Hi everyone, so I'm the PR director for BrandJRNY. I'm in Dr. Kalistra's capstone course, and we are working with Pineville, West Virginia this semester, and we started working with them last semester. So this semester's implementation, so today we are going to show them their new logo, their new slogan, and all the promotional and advertising material that we've created for them over the past pretty much 6 months a year. So we're excited to see what they think of it.
So we're finally here at the venue for the Pineville brand launch. We've been waiting a semester and a half for this. Are you guys ready? You heard it here first. Welcome. We just opened the doors and we're about to get the show started. So So it just ended and it went a lot smoother than I anticipated. We gave this town a new brand and that's what we came here to do. And it's really exciting to see how they reacted with it and how they received, you know, everything that we gave them. So that was really cool. I've never really done anything like this before and it's something that I won't forget.
So we just finished our brand launch event and it was very successful. We received a lot of great feedback from the community and everyone's really excited to see everything that is going to be implemented over the next few months. So we're so happy with how this went.
So, just got back to Morgantown, finally chilling. It was a great experience, you know, going down to Pineville with my class, and that's just one thing that I love about West Virginia is that you get to have these experiences. We help that community grow while also being in community, because at the end of the day, we're all just one big family. I'm so glad I'm a Mountaineer, and it's a great place to be. So, peace out. The day we've all been waiting for this whole semester. Yeah. It's the brand launch day.